Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to purchase Zig Analytics, how to pay for a plan on Zig Analytics. Okay, so if you want to pay for a plan on Zig Analytics, this video is for you. And the best part is I'm going to show you also how to get a 50% discount, off your purchase, which means that when you're going to purchase, you're going to get over 50% discount in this video. So that's what I'm going to do. So the first step is to go to their website, ziganalytics.com. I'll leave a link in the description below, and mind you, it is a discount link, which means that you're going to get the 50% off when you use the link in the description below. So I highly recommend you use it. So once you're on the website, the first thing is to look at the pricing. We want to pay for a plan on Zig Analytics. We want to pay for a plan on Zig Analytics, so let's look at the pricing. So the first one is the Pro plan. The Pro plan provides professional research tools for making data-driven business decisions. You see it is 50% off. This is the normal price, but when you use the link in the description below, you're going to get a 50% discount. So you get it for $14.99 per month. So that's what's going to happen. And they have a trial, a $1 trial, and yeah, that's it for the Pro plan. And they have the Pro Plus plan. They also have the Enterprise plan, and you can check more about it depending on which one best works for your eBay business. I personally use the one of $29, $29.99 This is the one I use personally. So I don't know, it depends on your business and the one you want to use. But if you're a beginner, you can start with this, but I use this. So that's what I want to show you. So the third one is the Enterprise, and it is $44.99 a month, 50% discount again. If you use the link in the description, it gives you a discount. That's it. And yeah, that's basically it for it. Provides complete automation and maximum data to capture all possible opportunities. It's also a combination of the Pro and the Pro Plus plan, to the best of my knowledge. Yeah, so the first thing you do is, once you've gone to the pricing plan, you pay for the one you want depending on the one that suits your business. I'm going to go for this. And now I personally have an account. I'm putting in my email. Now if you notice, the set email already exists because I already have an account of Zig Analytics. So I'm also a customer, and I've made on eBay, I've made thousands of dollars on eBay using Zig Analytics. It's a great tool. So I already have an account. So but I'm going to use different account, a different email. So it's going to go through, so I can show you guys step by step on how to pay for a plan on Zig Analytics for beginners, or whether you're not a beginner, you're a beginner. This video is specifically for you. So I'm going to use a different one. I have another email account, so I'm going to put it. Okay. So this is exactly my other email. Remember, I already have an account on Zig Analytics, but I'm just putting this second one so that I can show you guys how to pay for a plan on Zig Analytics. So it's loading, and they're taking me to the registration page. And this is the registration page where I put in my name, put in my last name, my email, then I put in a password. Put in a password you can remember. Always put in a password you can remember, so you're not gonna have any issues. So after that, you're gonna click on next, and it's going to load. Leave me a like on this video if you are getting value from this. Okay, so there's supposed to be a caption. Yes, I'm not a robot. They're asking me to identify first that I'm not a robot. So they're also going to ask you, so you click on I'm not a robot. So if you like this video, kindly leave me a like, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm clicking on next, and it's loading. Are you currently selling on eBay? They're just asking simple survey questions. Well, personally, I do sell on eBay, but if you're not, you can click no. If you are, yes, but maybe those of you watching, probably you're not. I don't know, so I'm just gonna go no. But personally, I already have an account and I do sell online, but I'm just gonna click no in case yours is no. Yeah, so but if yours is yes, you can click yes. Which business model describes yours? I do both. Personally, I also do drop shipping on eBay and all of that, but I'm going to go with this. Okay, what would you like to accomplish with Zig Analytics? Find the most profitable program, and they're very helpful, guys. They help you find products and find hot trends before they take off. They're actually very good. I've used them. I use them personally, and they're actually very good. So now they take us back to the plan page where we're going to select our plan again, and now we're going to choose our plan. If you notice, this one has changed. Talk to sales. You can talk to them, or and it's not very complicated. It's very easy. You're just going to ask you a bunch of questions, and then you're going to give you the plan, the enterprise plan. So but we're going to go with this. Okay, so they have three different options. Okay, guys, Zig Analytics payment method. Zig Analytics payment option. I want to show you the Zig Analytics payment option. They have three different options. They have the PayPal, pay with PayPal, pay with Payoneer. They have pay with credit and debit card. So you can choose anyone you want to pay with Zig Analytics. They have three different payment options: PayPal, Payoneer, and credit debit card. So you're going to choose anyone that is suitable for you. PayPal is pretty easy. It's a step-by-step. Payoneer is also easy. So usually people get stuck with using a card, so I'm going to use a card because it's usually hardest, so that I can easily explain for you how to purchase Zig Analytics with this payment option. But I'm also going to talk about the other two payment options. Okay, let me start with PayPal payment option. In case yours is PayPal, then I'll go to Payoneer, then I'll go to the card. So it's loading. Guys, leave me a like on this video, please. Okay, so you're going to put in your email or your phone number if you have a PayPal account. Remember, if you have a PayPal account, and let me just put this straight up, that if you have a PayPal account, you either put in your PayPal email or a phone number and follow the simple steps. It doesn't take time. It won't take you up to 5 minutes. You're going to pay. It's very simple, and you're also going to get a discount if you use the link in the description below, a 50% discount on your purchase. So that's it for PayPal. So I want to talk about Payoneer now. The payment method, we're talking about the Payoneer payment method. So we're on Payoneer now, and it's loading. It is loading. Okay, they're asking me to open an account on PayPal, and Payoneer, sorry. So if you do not have an account on Payoneer, they're gonna ask you to open. But I do have an account on Payoneer. Yeah, so I'm just gonna click already have an account. Although I'm not gonna pay for it, I'm not gonna purchase because I already have an account on Zig Analytics, so I'm not gonna purchase it. So I just want to show you guys the payment options for Zig Analytics and how to purchase it, and then how to get a bonus or discount whilst you're purchasing, which is if you use the link in the description, you're gonna get a discount, 50% discount, which is amazing, guys. So you put in your Payoneer email or username, and then you put in your password if you do have, and then you sign in, and then you make the payment. It's so simple, easy and simple. So that is it for Payoneer, and I'm gonna go for card. I'm gonna go for the last one, which is the card method. So we're gonna pay with card right now. So I'm gonna click on cards, and then you put in your card details. You're gonna put in your card details. You're gonna put in your card number. You're going to put in your card holder name. You're gonna put in the expiry dates, CVV, the address, city and zip code. So yeah, blur this, so I'm going to blur it. Sorry guys, I know it's blurred. Okay. Okay. I'm actually going to blur this, so because there are weird people out there on the internet, so yeah, so that should be it. Put in your CV and put in your address. Okay guys, so now I'm done showing you the payment methods for Zik Analytics, the three payment methods. So that's how it is and that's how it works. Once you're done with that, you're gonna go back to the main page. You're gonna go back to the main website, the main page. You're going to redirect you to the main page, and they're going to do two things, right? They're going to send you an email with your login details. They're going to send you an email with your login details where you can easily log in, and also once that happens, you can easily go to the website. Okay guys, we are at the login page. Once you click login, and you're going to ask for your email. You're going to just put in your email. Then put in your password, and then you click on login, and then you go straight into your Zik Analytics. Okay guys, that's it for today. That's the tutorial for today. I hope you got enough value from this, and yeah, look out for my next video. Like this video if you enjoy value, and remember, if you want a discount for Zik Analytics, don't forget it's 50% off, 50% discount. You use the link in the description below. I'll leave it, so you're going to get a little bit of discount. So that's it for today.